to show you how to use Adobe Camera RAW to stitch together a panorama. Here's some pictures I took at up above Malibu Creek Road, actually Deer Creek Road in Malibu. As you can see, I shot vertically. The two where you see me included in the frame, my daughter pressed the shutter. And I shot vertically in this case to include more sky and foreground. This will also work if you shoot in landscape mode. It will be longer in landscape mode, but taller in when you shoot in portrait format. I'm going to highlight these 5 images and open them in Camera RAW. I'm going to come over here to my thumbnails and activate all of those, so everything I do here will affect all the pictures equally. I'm just going to click Use Profile Corrections and then come over here to these 3 little dots and click on Merge to Panorama. There you have it. Really easy. I do like to fill the edges. I'm going to use Apply Auto Settings in this case, but if it looks like it has overdone things, then just click that and it will allow you to make all the changes yourself in Camera RAW. And then I just click Merge and it will ask me where I want my file to go. Save that, and there you have it, a panorama. Okay, so I'm going to do some more things to this image, such as work with the highlights and shadows, add a gradient to the sky perhaps, and maybe use the brush tool to so I can create a mask so I pop out a little bit better in the image, but I don't have to do a whole lot. You can see here my finished product when I get back to Camera RAW. Back to Bridge. Okay, so that completes the demo on how to quickly stitch a panorama in Camera RAW. You can also do this by creating a folder on your desktop and doing this in Photoshop. I like to do it this way because it allows me to use all the Camera RAW tools without having to turn the image into a smart object and then using a Camera RAW filter to go back into Camera RAW. So this way is a little bit easier. In any event, have a wonderful day.